What is with that?
Well, it's coffee, Jerry. It expels the disease germs out of the body into the air.
Putting their children at risk, putting their states at risk. And here's the worst thing. For these Republican governors, it isn't about public health.
Are you taking any medication for that?
About the health of the people. It's about politics. Look, folks, just look at the hypocrisy. The same governors who are attacking me and your governor for COVID-19 mandates are in states with some of the strictest vaccine mandates for children attending school in the whole country. Talk about inconsistency. In Mississippi,
Maybe you should really get that cough checked out by a doctor.
children are required to be vaccinated against measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, hepatitis B, polio, tetanus, and more. It's a state requirement.
That's some coffee.
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
Actually, that's true, but fortunately I'm alone in my home, but that's okay.
But now, in the midst of this pandemic that has taken over 650,000 lives, I propose a mandate for COVID-19 vaccines, and it's an outrage. It's an infringement on freedom. Look, folks,
What kind of pills are these anyway?
And what is it like to be a candidate in the time of social distancing?
Well, I'm doing fine, thank you.
May cause panting and loss of fur? These are dog pills.
we don't need politics in this battle against COVID. We need science. We need courage. We need leadership. We need Gavin Newsom. And we...
Take a minute. This isn't the way to the park. You're taking me to the doctor.
Hey, get back over here. Bad neighbor.